What happened here, the reason why the set screw this is what the set screw is supposed to do, right? See in there, bam. The more you put it in, the more this goes down. Well, silly me, what I did is I put it backwards. So, what I did, I put it this way. So what happens? The set screw has nothing to pull down on it. Alright guys, so good news. I was able to take this out, right, and put it in the right way. So now, we're good to go. Okay? Let's do it. That's good news, man. I thought I was going to have to take out everything. See what the set screw does. See if this is right. There it is. Check that out. See what's coming out? Yeah, beautiful. Alright, we're gonna get the next side done. Actually, let me go ahead and put this screw in. Alright, good to go. Alright, next side. Alright, so we got to remember that this part, let's see if you can see, this part has to be up, because that's where the set screw goes in and then brings this down or up. So let me see if I can do this. Should be a pro now. Make sure it goes in there. Go. Alright. Make sure that set screw works. And there it is, ladies and gentlemen. The more the set screw goes in, the farther it goes down. So we're good. Alright, let's set the set screw back so we have the right amount of clearance. It goes without saying, if you had with any project, you have two people work on it, makes it a lot easier. Alright, got my clearance there. Let me bang it back. It's not a bad idea to go over here and make sure that the set screw is not hitting anything. It's clearing, it's perfect. Good. Goes all the way down. Alright, good. Now the tricky part is putting this bad boy back in here. that is rusted. I have to use the pliers. So what you might want to do if you're doing this project and you have screws that are rusty like mine, once you take everything apart for the rollers, bring this up. If you have time, take out the screw, go to the hardware store, match it up and come back, and then you put new screws as well. All that's left to do is put the screw on the top. Let's do that. Alright guys, so there you have it. Basically successfully replaced the rollers. Learned a little bit in the process of it, which that's what it's all about, is learning. Hopefully this helps somebody out there. Hopefully I didn't confuse you guys too much. Hopefully I gave you some tips, or made it a little bit easier for you if you have an older style door like I do. I don't have the nice white newer doors that are probably even heavier than these doors, but I'm sure they're easier to replace. So if you have an old style aluminum door like I do, that's how you do it. Now we're gonna go ahead and move on to the actual track. All right guys, so here we go. Gonna get into the track part of it. So let me let you see what I'm trying to accomplish and what we're working with here. All right, so that's my track, right? It's very important that you clean everything. See all this dirt and stuff here, I gotta clean all that stuff. You wanna clean it all very well, right? The track is right here. You can notice it's worn out and stuff. So the other track, of which I'm gonna show you now, the cover, goes on top of this. You put a bead of silicone on the inside, and then it goes on top of it. So, and then the roller's gonna roll on it smoothly. Alright, so that's what we're gonna get into. Let me show you the track. It's my dog Rocco. Okay, so I bought this track from Amazon, basically. Alright, back up, Rocco. Leave it. Alright, so comes in this long ass box. They come in 4 feet and they come in 8 feet. I needed the 8 feet. I didn't want to separate it, put 2 4 feet together, so I needed to replace the whole track. So basically it comes in a box in here, very well packaged. This is it. Let me have you look at this real quick. So, you see, it's just like a cover basically. Goes on top of it, and that's, you know, it'll look nice. Put the bead of silicone right in there, bead all around, and with a piece of wood, put it on top of it, and hammer it, and you're good to go. Alright, so let's, I'm going to get to cleaning now. Clean it up real quick and rock and roll. Alright guys, I might get a little noisy. I apologize. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this door off. Same way. Pull out an angle. And it should be good. Alright. So basically, to take this particular door out, what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to lower, see this? Lower my set screw so the wheel will go down, so I'll have room to bring it up and out. Alright, so I'm going to do that right now. Alright guys, so I lowered the set screw, so I should be able to lift and angle out now. There we go. So this is pretty self-explanatory, right? Get your cleaning agent and just start getting all the gunk out. Make make everything nice and clean. It'll be a little bit easier. So the next part is basically putting the silicone onto the track. Right? Dab of silicone on there, boom. I have to press the little thing in here, a little nail to get the silicone. I'll be right back. Thanks. Got the hole for the silicone. We're good to go now. Doesn't take much, right? Doesn't take much. Alright, so the next part, basically what we're going to do is put the cover over the track with a piece of wood, put it on top, and start banging. So, I'll show you. So, put all the silicone in here. Let's see. Alright, we're good. Alright, next is basically put the doors back and see how it rolls. Alright guys, what we've been waiting for is the after. Such a big difference. It's so smooth right now. I could definitely do it with one finger. Recommend you guys doing the rollers and the actual track cover if you do need it. So let's see how it works. Such a big difference. I can do it with a pinky. It'll keep opening by itself. It's awesome. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and shoot me an email. Email address will be at the end of the video. Any type of questions I can help out with. Any suggestions, I would love. And I really enjoyed doing the video for you guys. If you have any questions, let me know, okay? Thanks.